Hi everyone, I'm Arielle and I am the illustrator of Anchored, written by the lovely Deborah Tidwell. So today I'm going to show you how to draw a little tug here, and we're going to be using colour pencils. So let's get started. Starting with a light colour pencil, draw a box shape and a circle in the centre. And now the circle is going to be the eyes, so we draw the eyes and the smiley face. And now we're moving on to the float, so we draw an oval shape. And now this next part is where you can be creative and add your own details. I'm adding a flag, some railings and some life-saving floats around, life-saving tire floats around a little tug, the side of tug, and yeah, feel free to add your own details and anything you can dream up. And now this next step is something that I use quite often for my own illustrations. I usually start off with a lighter color, and when I'm happy with the overall sketch, I put another layer on, which is a darker color. And this way it will look like there's a lot of colors inside my illustration. So here you can see me using dark purple and blue to trace around the initial orange sketch that I've made. And now for the fun part, we are going to color in all the little lines that we've made. I'm using, again like before, I'm using different colors. I like to layer a lot of different colors so it looks that it looks really colorful. And you can see me using some red, some orange, and some purple, and even a bit of blue to create some shadows. Now for your tug drawings, you can use your favorite color or combine a few different colors to create your own little tug. And now once you've added your finishing touches and you are happy with the little drawing that you have created, and that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoy it, and I can't wait to see what you create. Bye!